quite similar to the video, we have an audio tag, and that's used for inserting audio inside of your web page. So the way you would go about doing that is by using the audio tag, of course. So it's the start tag and it's of course the end tag for audio. Alright, now what you want to do is you have to include a source as well. Okay, so the source will tell where the audio file is located. So in the source you have this source attribute and you specify where the source is located. And if I were to look at my directory, okay, in which my index.html file is located, you'll see that I have this cat.mp3 file. So I'm just going to call this cat.mp3 and I'm using relative paths because it's in the same directory as my main index.html file. So once I do that and I hit refresh over here, you're going to see that nothing appears, and the reason for that is because I don't know if this is because of the browser. Maybe it's possible, but I think it's highly unlikely that in Chrome you will see something appear if you write the code like this, but I highly doubt that. I'm using Firefox, but audio anyway, if you want to see the audio file there, then you use the controls, because this is going to give you it's going to show you the controls that you can click to start, stop and play the file. So here you have it. Now you have this audio file, you can adjust the volume however you like, and if I play it you will see it's very cute. Now that's the audio file, audio tag. But here's something else. If you want to loop through this, alright, the way to do this is like that. You add the loop keyword and this is gonna loop through it, and it doesn't loop through it. I don't know why. Okay, there was something wrong, but I refreshed the page and it's working now.